Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bug reports from GitHub into Jira using Zapier step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to GitHub. Log into your GitHub account. Find the repository where your bug reports are located. Locate the specific bug report you want to transfer. Make a note of the details that need to be transferred, such as title, description, and status. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap. In the When This Happens section, search for and select GitHub as the trigger app. Choose the GitHub trigger event that fits your needs, such as new issue. Connect your GitHub account to Zapier by following the authentication steps. After connecting, select the repository that contains your bug reports. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier can access your GitHub data. Next, move to the Do This section and search for Jira. Select Jira as the action app. Choose the appropriate action event, like Create Issue. Connect your Jira account to Zapier by following the authentication process. Map the fields from your GitHub bug report to the corresponding fields in Jira. For example, map the GitHub issue title to the Jira issue summary. Add additional mappings for description, labels, and other relevant fields. After setting up the mapping, test the action to ensure it successfully creates a Jira issue. Review the results to confirm that the data has transferred correctly. Once satisfied with the setup, give your Zap a name. Finally, turn on your Zap to start automatically transferring your bug reports. Monitor your Zap's activity on the Zapier dashboard to ensure it runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.